Hey kids, are you ready? Clap your hands! Stop your feet! Let's learn the ABCs! Hey! A is for ant, march, march, march. B is for bunny, hop through the park. C is for cat, meow, meow, meow. D is for duck, quack right now. E is for elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. F is for fox, jump and romp. G is for giraffe, tall and bright. H is for hippo, splashing tonight. A, B, C, come dance with me. Animal friends from A to Z. Jump and spin, sing happily. A, B, C, animal party. I is for iguana, wiggle and sway. J is for jaguar, run and play. K is for kangaroo, bounce so high. L is for lion, roaring by. M is for monkey, swing from a tree. N is for narwhal, swimming free. O is for owl, hoo, hoo, hoo. P is for penguin, waddle too. A, B, C, come dance with me. Animal friends from A to Z. Jump and spin, sing happily. A, B, C, animal party. Q is for quail, hop, hop, hop. R is for raccoon, let's play all day. S is for sheep, ba, ba, ba. T is for tiger, rah, rah, rah. U is for unicorn, sparkle and shine. V is for vulture, soaring fine. W is for wolf, howl with pride. X is for Xerus, dance, dance, dance. Y is for yak, shake, shake, shake. Z is for zebra,